Freestyle kayaking is really approachable because instead of having to get from point A to point B in a river, we can come somewhere and work on some tricks or different things specifically. So like my son Tucker, for example, he's 12 years old. My daughter Parker, she's 9. Both of them, while they love kayaking, they really enjoy the concept of freestyle kayaking because it's very social. They're in the eddy with their friends and they can push themselves really hard without having to become more risky or put themselves in more dangerous situations.
So freestyle kayaking is like gymnastics in a boat. You have 45 seconds to do as many tricks as possible. Each trick has a predetermined point value ahead of time, and then we have bonuses which can go on it. Air, huge, clean, super clean, and link, which all add even extra points on top of the trick. So you practically have that creativity of the 45 seconds to do as many tricks as possible to see how high you can get up on the leaderboard.
Name's Eric Jackson. A lot of people call me EJ. So I'm a play boater and a boat designer, and I was fortunate enough to be designing boats during the evolution of the kayak. So basically, I was always trying to make new moves, and in the process of trying to make new moves, it would occur to me, boy, if the boat could do this, and it was like you could squirt on the stern of your play boat, like a Kinetic, a Whiplash, a Frankenstein, whatever, but you couldn't get the bow down. So I was like, man, if you could get the bow down and the stern down, you could cartwheel a boats, whatever. And we were cartwheeling in big holes, but not on smaller features, whatever. So that's where the X came from. It was the first play boat that had a small enough bow that you could get the bow down on your own power in flat water. And then that, and it also had a really good planing hull, and that started making things possible. And then it was just incremental. So then with that new boat, all of a sudden there's new tricks that I didn't even think of that you could do. So the new boat made new tricks possible. So then when boats started getting lower volume, then they got more, they got shorter for the aerial moves. So moves like the McNasty, lunar orbits, and all that stuff, that all came as a combo of a new boat. But the new boats came imagining those tricks.
It's not really it's competition, but everybody's there having fun, giving tips to each other, and then it's really about enjoying the sport and promoting it.
My name's Nick Troutman. I grew up paddling on the Ottawa River up in Canada, and we are here for the US Nationals.
My name is McKinley Kate Hargrove. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Columbus, Georgia.
My name's Emily Jackson. I am 35 years old. We're here at the Nantahala Outdoor Center getting ready for the Live Like Maria Classic as well as the U.S. National Championships.
It'll be a wild ride. We'll just try to hold on.
I think it's